begin our session. Happy morning to all. Jai Gurudev. Welcome you all to Math Online class. The last class we were seeing about lesson number 9, subtraction up to 99, right? What is subtraction? Subtraction means leftover, take away, give away, yes, remaining, difference, minus. Yes, so all these terms are related to subtraction. Okay, so we were seeing about the properties, right? Do you remember the properties which we have seen already? Yes? Okay, so I'm going to say you the number, okay, and you are going to say me the property, okay? You can just identify, okay? First, the one who is giving the name first, they will be answering for the question, okay? Yes. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So who's going to answer? First name which comes in the chat box. What is the property? 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Avanishwar. Yes, Avanishwar, you can unmute yourself and say the property. Avanishwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Avanishwar, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Can you say the property for this? When we subtract. Yes, repeat after me. When we subtract. Avanishwar.
Equal number.
Yes, when we subtract same number from itself, we will get the answer as 0, right?
0.
Yes, superb. Very good, Avanishwar. Okay, so next question. Next question. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Yes. The first name in the chat box. The answer who's giving first. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Yes, who's going to say the property?
I can see, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Kana? Yes, it's Krishiv. Yes, say the property.
Which property, ma'am?
Say the property for 5 minus 4 is equal to 1.
When we subtract any number for 5 minus 2,
No.
when we subtract any number,
When we subtract a number
when we
from a number
subtract
just
the
before
number,
it, we get the
number
answer as
before it,
1.
when we get and we come to
Mm.
the 1.
Super. Very good, Krishiv. Okay, yes. So, Ojeshvi, can you try this? Ojeshvi was the one who comes just before. Yes, Ojeshvi, say the answer for this property.
We subtract number
Mm.
from
Mm.
the number
Mm.
that
Mm.
comes
Mm.
just before it.
Super, Kana is equal to
1.
1. Very good, Kana. Super. Very good. Very good. Wonderful. Yes. Thank you, Ojeshvi. Yes. Okay. So let me say you the next property. Okay. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Mahavidya. Yes. Mahavidya. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. What property is this? Yes.
எங்களை கூப்பிட்டீங்களா?
Yes, Mahavidya, you are given your name, right, in the chat box.
எஸ் மேம்.
Say the property. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. What property is this?
When we subtract a number with
Mm.
1,
Mm.
the
Mm.
before after number.
Before number.
number.
You will get the answer in the before number. Super. Very good, Mahavidya. Super. Very good. Thank you. Okay. So we have done with all the properties, right? Have we left out with any other property? No. Okay. Shall we move on to the workbook exercise? I want you all to take out your workbook and turn to page number 39. Okay. Take out your workbook and turn to page number 39. Yes. Oh, the same number. We have left the same number. Property. Okay. Yes. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. When we subtract 0 from any number, we will be getting the same number as the answer, right? That is a property. Yes, superb. Now I want you all to take out your workbook and turn to page number 39. Okay, hope so you might have finished this worksheet 1. Yes, na? Yes. So we will have a small recap over this and then we will move on to the next one. Okay? Yes. So now say me for the A question 63 minus 23. 63 minus 23. Here, which is a higher value that should be represented on the abacus board? What is the higher value that should be represented on the abacus board? Yes, 63 is the highest value. That is the value that should be represented on the abacus board. So here I am also going to represent this 63 on the abacus board. Okay? Yes. Those who have done, super, very good for you. Those who didn't do, kindly do along with me. Okay? Yes. So 3 ones. So I'll be placing 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. I'm drawing 3 beads. Likewise, 6 tens. In 63, I have 6 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens on the tens place and 3 ones on the ones place, which makes 63. Okay, now can you say me which is the smaller value and which is the strikeout value, takeaway value? Takeaway value at a whole, yes, it's 23. So 23 is the takeaway value. It is a strikeout value, right? Okay, so let me change the color for differentiation. Yes, so I'm going to strike out. Let me write ones and tens on the top. Okay, with this, I'm going to strike out 3 ones on the ones place. So 1, 2, 3. So I have striked out 3 ones. And how many tens in the second value? 2 tens. So I am going to take away 2 beads. I am going to strike away 2 beads. So now I am left out with 4 beads on the tens place and 0 beads on the ones place. So what will be the answer? 4 tens and 0 ones, which makes 40, right? Super. 40. 40, 40. Okay, now shall we move on to the B sum? You can do by yourself, right? You can do by yourself. B question. The next workbook exercise. Yes, C sum. Can we do the C sum or D sum? Which one we can do? Yes. C sum. Okay, we can do the C sum. Okay. Yes. So here, which is a greater value, 77 or 21? Which is a greater value? Oh, 77 is the greater value. So how many tens and how many ones are there in 77? 7 tens and 7 ones. So in the ones place, I'll be drawing 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beads on the ones place. And how many beads I have to draw? Yes, in the tens place, I'll be drawing 7 beads. That represents 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens. Okay. So what is the strike away value? Yes, it's 21. 21. Let me write ones and tens on the top. Okay. Yes. So I am going to take away or strike out 1 from 1 1. Okay. So yes, 1 beads. 1 1 I have strike out, and I am going to now strike out 2 tens. Okay. 1, 2. So 2 tens I have striked out. So what is the remaining? What is the remaining? Count and say me the answer. What is the remaining? 5 tens
61.
and 6
61.
ones. 5 tens and 6 ones, which makes 56. Okay, which makes 56.
Ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, so D sum is for your practice. Shall we move on to worksheet 2? Yes? Yes. It's in the page number? Same page number, right? Yes, it's in page number 39. So all the following sums on the number line. The first one is done for you. See the A question, 25 minus 4. So on the number line, first number will be representing on the number line, right? What is the first number in the A question? First value, it is 25. So on the number line, we will be marking 25. Okay. So how many steps we have to go backward? How many times? Yes, we have to go backward 4 times. We have to go backward 4 times. Okay. So one time from 25, we are going backward 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So where we are standing now? Where we are standing now? We are standing in number 21. So that is our answer. That is our answer. Okay. Now let's do the B question. Let's do the B question. 39 minus 13. So what is the first value that has to be represented on the number line? 39. Yes. So where is 39? Here. So let's mark 39. And how many steps we have to go backward? We have to go backward for 13 times. 13 times we have to go backward from 39. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Likewise, we will be moving backward from 39. Yes, from 39, we will be moving backward for 13 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, where are we standing now? We are standing in number 26. So, 26 is our answer. Okay? Okay. Now, shall we move on to the next question? 88 minus 25. So what is the initial number? The initial number is 88. So we will be marking the 88 first. Okay. So from 88, how many steps you will be moving backward? We will be moving backward for 25 times. Okay, 25 times. Okay, shall I say you a trick? So that it will be easy for you to mark. Yes? Shall we do the vertical subtraction here and get the answer, and just we will put the curves here. Okay, so that it will be very easy for you. Okay, 88 minus 25. Okay, so we are going to do the vertical subtraction. Okay, once in the ones place we have 8 minus 5. 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger, before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So 3 ones and 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. 8 in the mind, 2 in the finger, before 8, 7, 6. 63. So we have to put the curves till 63. So let's mark 63 here. Okay, the answer is 63. And then we can put the jumpings over here so that it will be easy for you, right? You know, when you know this vertical subtraction, it will be so easy for you to mark these things, right? Very easy now. And it was also very playful, right? Yes, I am also playing with this number line. Okay. Yes, done.
63.
Nice, right? Yes, superb. So the D question you can do by this way. Okay, you can first write the initial number, mark the initial number, then you can subtract the 32 with initial number, and then after getting the answer in vertical subtraction, you can just mark it and you can put the curves backward. Okay? Yes, superb. Shall we move on to the next worksheet now? Yes? Okay, subtraction worksheet number. Yes, worksheet number 2. Counting backward to subtract the following. This will be carried over by Tenamai ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, we are going to do workbook exercise. We have seen number line. Yes, jumpy frog going backwards. So, if it is subtraction, we have to do always backward counting. Yes, you all remember, right? Backward counting. See the higher value. 59 or 18 is a higher value. Which is the higher value? 59. Yes. So, 59 is written first. So, 59 minus 18. So, how many jumps we are going to do? How many numbers we are going to count backward? 18 numbers we are going to count backward. So let's go from backward counting. Before 59, 58. So let's write 58 inside the box. Then 57. Before 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. So we have done backward counting from 59, 18 steps we count backward. So we have arrived at the answer 41. So the answer is 41. Like jumpy frog, you will be doing the arrow marks. Here you will be writing the numbers itself, counting backward numbers itself. Okay, likewise, can we do the B sum? 48 minus 30. So, we will be counting backwards from 48. How many backward numbers we will be counting? We will go backwards. 30 numbers we will go backwards. 30 numbers. So let's start counting backward. Before 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 32, 31, before 31, 30, before 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, before 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. So, how many numbers we have counted backwards? We have counted 30 numbers backwards from number 48. Yes, so we have arrived at the answer 18. 18 is the answer. Now, ma'am is going to tell you and you are going to do it in your rough note and say me. Okay, you will be writing like this inside the box. and you will be finding out the answer and giving the answers in the chat box. Yes, at the end of the session, I would like to see all your rough notes. Okay? Are you all having your rough notes next to you? Yes? Let me wait for some time so that others also get ready. So now, ma'am is going to tell you two numbers. Yes? From which number you will be starting. You should tell. Okay? The higher value will be always returned first. And the lower value will be always returned the second. Okay? The lower value you will be jumping backwards, counting backwards. You'll be counting backwards. Are you all ready? Yes. 25, 25 minus 12. 25, I repeat, 25 minus 12. So you will be writing inside the box or no need to draw box. You just write the numbers directly. 25 minus 12. You will be writing all the backward numbers. Okay, and then arrive at the answer. Once you have done, you can give the answers in the chat box. 25 minus 12. Yes, I'm getting answers in the chat box. Very good, children. I hope you are doing along with the step. Yes?
Ma'am, it is for me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am will wait for one more minute. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
So I want all the backward numbers to be written. I will surely see the rough note after the at the end of the session. Clear? Yes. So let's move on to the next. Yes, very good, children. Whoever has answered in the chat box, yes, you all are right. The answer, yes, the answer is 13. Very good. So next one, can you all do 79 minus 17? (79 minus 17). So you will be starting from 79, go backward counting, write the numbers and find out the answer and tell me. Yes, I'm getting answers. Very good, children. Yes. You will be writing all the backward numbers and finding out the answer. 79 minus 17. Yes, very good. Very good, my dears. Yes, very good. Superb. Very good. Superb. Yes, very good. Super, children. Yes. Likewise. Let's do the E1. E sum. 36 minus 28. 36 minus 28. Backward counting. 36 minus 28. Before 36. 35. 34. Yes, I'm getting answers. Whoever is not clear can listen now. Yes, before 36, 35, 34, 33, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So we have done backward counting 28 numbers and we have gone backward 28 numbers and we have arrived at the answer. Yes, number 8. We have started from 36 and we have arrived at the number 8. Yes. Are you all clear? Shall we move to the next? Yes. Vertical subtraction. Vertical subtraction means writing the numbers one below the other. Yes. The first thing you have to write. Remember, writing vertical subtraction means writing one number below the other number. That is a vertical format. Yes. Okay. The higher value or the lower value will be written first in subtraction. The big value or the small value. Big number or small number will be written first. Yes. The higher value. That is a big number. Yes. Very good. Yes. So you will be writing the bigger number first, followed by the smaller number. Okay. Let's do the vertical subtraction. 68 minus 43. 68 minus 43. So you will be doing the ones place first. You will be doing the ones place first. Yes. So subtraction means going backward numbers. Yes. So 8 minus 3. Do backward counting. Can we use our fingers to find out? Yes. With the mind calculation. 8 in the mind, 3 in our fingers. Before 8, 7, 6, 5. So let's write 5. Then we will move to the tens place. 6 minus 4. 6 in our mind, 4 in our finger. Before 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 2. So the answer is 25. 2 tens and 5 ones. 25. Let's do the B sum. 37 minus 22. So we have arranged the numbers correctly. Yes. Okay. Now do the ones place. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. 7 in our mind. 2 in our finger. Before 7, 6, 5. Then we will move on to the tens place. 3 minus 2. 3 in our mind. 2 in our finger. Before 3, 2, 1. So the answer is 15. Yes. Can you all do the C sum in your rough note? 45 minus 15. 45 minus 15. Yes, very good, Ojasvi. Very good, Darini. Yes, very good, superb. You will be doing the ones place first and then you will move on to the tens place. Remember, you should go backward counting, okay? You will get the answer in a lesser number, okay? Yes. Okay, can you all do the D sum? D sum and give the answer. Yes, very good. My children are very lovely. They are doing the sums by themselves. Yes, super children. So in this assessment, I think we can expect full mark for everyone, right? It's very easy. Yes, I'm getting answers. Very good, children. Superb. Yes. Okay, let's do the F sum. 86 minus 76. 86 minus 76. Yes, very good. Superb. Rishiv, yes, Dharini, Ojasvi, Jaganvel, Prahalpa. Yes, very good children. Superb. Star for you all. Yes. Can you all turn on your video and show your notes? Yes. I would like to see all my lovely children's rough work that you have done now. Yes, very good, Ojasvi. Superb. Teja. Teja, show your note. Show your note.
Ma'am. Ma'am, Jai Krishna. Ma'am.
Jai Krishna. Yes, very good. Where are your rough notes? I told you to do in rough note and show me, right? Backward counting numbers. Yes, very good. Who's that? Naresh. Yes, very good, Naresh. Nandana Shri. Yes. Jaganvel. Satvika. Yes. Darini. Yes, very good children. Yes. What about the others? Yes. What about the others? I know all my children would have done. Yes. So I want them to see their work.
Vidya, ma'am. Vidya.
Yes, Mahavidya. Yes, very good. Superb. Yes, very good.
Ma'am, see, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
see.
Who's that?
Ma'am, Jai Krishna. Exam, ma'am.
Yes, I have seen all your notes, children. I want your friends also to open. Yes, I have seen all your rough works. Very good. Superb. Very good. All have done the steps also. Very good, children. Yes. Good to see your notes. Very obedient children. Superb. Sudarshan Prasad. Yes, very good. Yes, others. Show your notes, children.
Ma'am, teacher, ma'am.
Ramya. Yes, very good, Ramya. Krish. Yes, very good. Ramya, show your rough note, dear.
Ma'am. See. Ma'am.
Ah,
And teacher,
yes.
ma'am.
Yes, Teja. Now you're doing some sum. Show your rough note. Okay, superb. Yes. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Lovely, dears. Yes, others didn't open their rough note. You have not done. I know all would have done now. They are not opening their video and showing. Yes. Why? You can show your notes. Yes. Yes, it's time to. Yes, I want others also to practice regularly. Okay. Yes, you all are going to the next class. Yes, second standard. Miss you all, children. Yes, all the best for your higher classes. Yes.